Of all the amazing future technologies that I expect to see emerge during the next century, perhaps the most personally exciting is longevity technology. Artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, quantum computing, robotics, all these things are incredible. And I'll be happy to see them occur, even if I do end up dead. But wouldn't it be better if I could just live hundreds, thousands, millions of years and experience the singularity myself, experience everything that comes afterwards myself, see the robots colonize the universe, go out with them myself to different star systems, watch nanotech and femtotech take on so we can build anything we want. I'm 46 years old. According to the standard human lifespan, I have a few decades left. But I think it's quite possible I could live hundreds, thousands, or millions of years more. This may not happen all at once. I'm not going to get an immortality pill tomorrow where I can eat it and all of a sudden have an infinite lifespan. But it may happen in bits and pieces, as Aubrey de Grey and others have foreseen. Some treatment 5 years from now that extends life by 5 years, a treatment 10 years from now that extends life by 20 years, a treatment 15 years from now that extends life by 50 years. Then maybe you're on to the singularity and we can have radical nanotechnology machines reshape the cells in our body in fundamentally superior ways. Living right now, we're sort of right at the borderline. We may be at the point where we can live to what Aubrey de Grey has called the Methuselarity, the point at which ongoing improvements in longevity technology will come one after the other, bit by bit, enabling us to progressively extend our lives forever. It sounds strange, but I mean, the internet and spacecraft would have sounded very strange just a few hundred years ago. What sounds strange to our human intuitions is not a good guide to what is possible. Right now, scientists around the world are pursuing a variety of different therapies and research approaches aimed at achieving this kind of radical longevity. Aubrey's SENS initiative, with its 7 different aspects of aging being addressed, stem cell research going on around the world, the work going on at Genesian, which I'm fortunate to be participating in, studying long lived flies and other long lived organisms, looking at their DNA and the genetic networks that enable them to live so long, and the overlap between the genetic networks of these long lived organisms and human genetics and the genetics of long lived people. By pursuing all these research and therapeutic directions together, we're gaining a better and better understanding of the biological networks underlying aging and longevity, and how you may be able to adjust the human body in order to let it live longer and longer and longer. It's hard to know exactly what the pathway is going to be that's going to let us live dozens, hundreds of millions of years longer. But it's clear now we're living in a time where various science and technology advances are piling on top of each other, moving us ahead faster and faster. You know, the universe is a mysterious place. None of us understands it that well. None of us knows for sure what is to come. But right now, 46 years old, sitting here talking to you, I can say I don't know for sure that I am going to die. It's quite possible I may just keep on living, keep on experiencing, keep on talking to you. And that's something that we really couldn't say 100 or 200 years ago. And that's a sign of the dramatic progress that we're all making now.
Excellent. Well, yeah, I certainly don't want to miss out on some of the exciting possibilities in the future. And part of that's just, part of it is trying to increase the likelihood of being around to experience some of the amazing prospects for the future. And what Orby de Grey is doing, and what Genesian's doing, and what some of the large-scale life sciences initiatives are doing is very exciting at the moment. We do live in a time, an amazing time, where the possibilities are endless. And so I'm looking forward to seeing how these projects progress. And I encourage everybody to get involved and put their shoulder to the wheel, get out and push and help these initiatives progress for sure. So.
And I look forward to viewing this video with you from the Crab Nebula in the year 3077.
Sharing a beer at the end of the universe. Yeah, looking forward to that.
Exactly. Or the beginning of the next universe.
That's right. Seeding the next universe. Awesome. Okay. Well,
All
happy
right.
Future Day.
I gotta finish my email and head off to work. But
No
yeah,
worries.
thanks for doing this anyway. That should be good.
Yeah, cool. My pleasure. Appreciate
Yeah, you know,
having me today.
if you send out links to this, I can post this on the H Plus magazine site anyway. I didn't get around to writing an article, but I can
Yeah,
post some
that's cool.
last minute video links anyway.
All right. Yep, that's cool. We'll do.